Hello, so today we are going to have a look at Google Classroom assignments. So I can see here that I have an assignment that is now due for 12 o'clock tomorrow called Quick Assignment. So I can either click on there or I can come into my classroom. I can see that there is an update that has been posted here, up and coming, due tomorrow, Quick Assignment. Lastly, in classwork, I've got Quick Assignment has appeared due tomorrow in the fun category. Needed a word for it. So we're going to click on Quick Assignment and that'll have your child's name here. So click on Quick Assignment and that's going to load up. So once that's finished loading up, we're going to complete the task. So the task number 1 says, write in the box to the right your favourite food to order from a Chinese takeaway. So I am a fan of honey chili chicken. Done. In the box to the right, insert an image of your favourite animal. So we need to click on the box, click. Then click insert at the top. Then we're going to click image and search on the web. This box is going to appear. We're going to type in the answer. Let's go for red squirrel. There it is. Now, all the images that appear here are copyright free. So I quite like the look of this one. So I can either two-finger click. Oh, no, sorry. I can either double click it to insert it, or I can click insert down at the bottom. That's going to appear here. And that's us. And finish the line. The strongest thing on the earth is... Oh, I'll let you have a think about that one. Okay. So now that I'm done with my assignment, I'm a bit confused about that one. So maybe I'll ask the teacher about that one afterwards. Changes are saved in my Drive folder. It's got my name, Quick Assignment. I'm happy with everything. I'm going to click Turn In up here. So it's asking, do I want to submit the Quick Assignment for the teacher? So I'm going to click Hand In. And that is that. Your teacher might allow you to unsubmit. You could be able to click here and edit it. Because of the question that I was a bit confused about, the strongest one, I could type in a question here for the teacher to help me. Or if the teacher has allowed it, I could post here and ask a question to the group as well, and the whole class might be able to help me. Okay, thank you very much.